Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of the WhatsApp verification code not received problem. So sometimes you are trying to set up maybe you have installed WhatsApp and you want to register your number on WhatsApp, and then you put a number and the code doesn't come and it doesn't tell you anything. You are not also receiving the code. So there are a lot of reasons why this may be happening, and I will take you through a step-by-step process of what you should do. So first of all, if you are not receiving the code, click on didn't receive code. Then you will see resend SMS or call me. So from my experience, if you have not received the code, try the call me option. But before you try the call me option, get ready with a pen and paper so that when they call you, you just be able to put a code because this one they will call you and they will mention the code to you. So make sure that you have a pen and paper so that you can just write. Now another thing that I have noticed is that most of the time when they call you, when they are calling and it's not coming, or when the SMS is not coming, it could mean that your network is not good, because sometimes they may even try to call you and it won't come. So you have to make sure that you are at an area where there is proper network, so that when they call you, it will come. Then also, if you do that and it still doesn't come, what I will show you is that just come to this, go to settings, then from settings go to apps, from apps go to you look for the WhatsApp app. So when you get to WhatsApp, you go to data. No, not data, storage. Go to storage and delete and clear the cache. So you click on clear cache. If you clear the cache and it doesn't go through, then you clear the data. But understand that when you clear the data, it will delete. If you were having previous messages, it may delete it. But if it is you just installed it, fine, that one no problem. But if it is having your previous data and you clear the data, you would not have it, your previous chat. If you do all that and it doesn't go through, uninstall the app and reinstall it again and try again. And I am sure if you do that and restart the phone, when you uninstall it, restart the phone and reinstall it again and try again. If you do that, you'll get you'll be able to solve it. If you follow all that and you still don't get a solution, please leave your comments in the comment section and I will come in to help you. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact us for help to be able to get your problem solved. We actually charge very affordable prices to solve these problems for you, whether Facebook, Instagram, or maybe Facebook or Instagram or Google advertising restrictions. We also do digital marketing for all those platforms I mentioned, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or Google. We do all that. We do web development as well. We'll be able to help you. Thank you once again. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.